a number x right here. And whenever you have is, it's basically an equal sign in math. X is equal to 2 more than the product of its reciprocal. We know what a reciprocal is. The reciprocal of a number is just 1 over the number. So x and is the reciprocal of x. The reciprocal of x is equal to 1 over x. So it's just basically flipping the number, as my teacher has once taught me. So we have the product of its reciprocal and its additive inverse. So what is an additive inverse? I'm pretty sure none of you have heard of an additive inverse. Well, it's basically a number like 4, right? Its additive inverse is -4, because when you add 4 and its additive inverse, or it's the number or variable and its additive inverse, it equals 0. So basically it's kind of like an absolute value, but sort of different, because it's not really changing it into a positive, but it's more like changing it into either a negative or a positive, because a positive goes to a negative and a negative goes to a positive in this case scenario. So the additive inverse of x is just negative x. So we have x is equal to 2 plus the reciprocal of x times negative x. And that's a pretty simple equation. All we have to do is cross out x when we're multiplying, and then we're left with -1, and then we have 2 already given. So that means it's x equals 2 minus 1. We just simply expanded the equation and solved for x, which is 1. So we have 5 answer choices here, and we have to pick the best choice. And since we already know that x is 1, the best choice is easily C, because that's the only one that includes 1.